How's it going, everybody? We're just here at SpreadPoint HQ. We're just going to show you a quick video of a TF-10 market leader in the gravel cart world. A few unique features. It's got a 6mm bolt-in hopper in a wedge type form, and one of the main points is the conveyor here. It's got the widest belt on the market, 630mm. It's got a max reach of 1.7 meters from the face of your 865 or 32 wheels, so it's got a massive reach on it, and it's got a max working height of 1.85 meters, which we'll demonstrate for you now in a second. It requires 3 spool valves to operate it, so one to fold down your conveyor, one to run the belt, and one to operate your hopper door in there. See, it's a galvanized door just in the hopper. That's it. Robert's just walking it there now. So there's a low compensated belt on it too, so regardless of the load inside in the hopper, the belt RPM always stays the same. It's going up now, so 1.85 meters to fill a trencher, fill a tunnel mould, small trailer or bucket of a digger. Because the hopper is bolted in a wedge type form, which requires no struts, as you see there's no struts holding up the hopper, it enables us to fit vibrators on them, so if you want to dispense sand or that, it's possible. If you're working on solar farms or electrical cables. It's got an 865 or 32 inch wheel on it, so very good wheel on soft ground. Durable plastic mudguards. If you break one, they're very cheap to replace. Little push bar, if you are unfortunate enough to get stuck, you can push it out with the bucket of a digger. LED light bar, stay away from the stones from when you're filling. Again, galvanized extensions along with your conveyor, so you don't get stone chips. 10 stud commercial axles. This was a granning axle in this one. RHS chassis, so a big heavy chassis on it. Can have dual brakes as an option, or you can have a K80 spoon hitch, and again vibrators as an option too. Market leader now in the gravel cart world. Give us a call here at SpreadPoint and we'll put you in contact with your nearest dealer. Thanks for watching.